Higher-end toilets commonly use specialized mounting systems that prioritize watertight seals and long-term stability. Premium toilets often replace the traditional wax ring with integrated rubber gaskets that compress to form a continuous seal between the toilet base and the flange. Many manufacturers mold a reinforced elastomer or neoprene ring into the toilet outlet so you do not have to shape or replace a separate ring, and that reduces misalignment risk during installation. Advanced bolt flanges use stainless steel or brass hardware with sealed sleeves and oversized washers to prevent water wicking along fasteners. Tighten these in small increments and alternate sides to keep the bowl level. Some premium systems incorporate a polymer spud extension that mates precisely with the flange and uses a cam or twist lock engagement to maintain compression without deforming the gasket. Proprietary no-wax systems often include a centering cone or integral horn that guides the toilet into perfect alignment before final tightening so the gasket seats evenly. Follow the manufacturer torque sequence and specified fastener lengths exactly to avoid crushing the seal. Always dry fit the toilet, check flange elevation with a straight edge, and replace any corroded flange components before final installation so the premium hardware can perform as intended. Common mistakes include overtorquing bolts, which can crack porcelain and deform the gasket. Solve this by using a torque limiter or hand tightening in small equal increments and checking for wobble before final snug. Another frequent issue is installing onto a damaged or low flange which breaks the seal. Remedy that by raising the flange with a proper flange extender or installing a reinforced ring, and ensure the flange face is even with or slightly above finished floor level. A third concern is using the wrong gasket type or reusing a deformed gasket, which leads to slow leaks. Always use the gasket specified by the toilet manufacturer and never reuse a compressed elastomer seal. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners looking for premium leak minimizing toilet systems with local contractors who can install them correctly and follow manufacturer instructions. We also host an active discussion community where homeowners and contractors share installation tips, photos, and product experience so everyone can learn from real projects.